Smartphones are everywhere. They have become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly blending into our routines and activities. We use them every day, whether it's to stay connected with loved ones, capture precious moments, or simply to pass the time with a game or social media. They connect us, entertain us, and help us get things done. From streaming our favorite shows to managing our smart homes, smartphones have revolutionized the way we live. But have you ever wondered how these amazing devices are made? The journey of a smartphone from an idea to a finished product is nothing short of extraordinary. It's a fascinating journey from concept to creation. It all starts with a vision, a sketch on a piece of paper, and then evolves into detailed 3D models and prototypes. Let's dive in and explore the world of smartphone manufacturing, from the drawing board to your pocket. Each stage of production is meticulously planned and executed. This isn't just about technology, it's about global collaboration. Engineers, designers and technicians from different parts of the world come together to bring these devices to life. It takes thousands of people around the world to make it happen. Each person plays a crucial role, from the initial design phase to the final assembly. From miners digging for raw materials to engineers designing chips, it's a team effort. The raw materials are transformed into sophisticated components that power our smartphones. Understanding this process gives us a new appreciation for the complexity and ingenuity behind our smartphones. Each device is a testament to human innovation and collaboration, a marvel of modern engineering that fits right in our pockets.
Every smartphone starts with an idea. This idea is often born out of a need or a desire to improve upon existing technology. It could be a new feature that users have been asking for, or an innovative design that sets it apart from the competition. What will this new phone do? Will it have a better camera, a faster processor, or a longer battery life? These are some of the questions that the design team must answer. What will it look like? Designers and engineers work together to create the initial concept. They consider the phone's shape, size, and overall aesthetic. They also think about how the phone will feel in the user's hand and how easy it will be to use. They sketch ideas, build prototypes, and test different designs. This iterative process allows them to refine their ideas and make improvements. They use tools like 3D printers to create physical models of the phone, which they can then test and evaluate. This phase is all about innovation. The team is constantly looking for new ways to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do. They brainstorm, experiment, and collaborate to come up with the best possible design. Teams explore new technologies, like faster processors or better cameras. They test these technologies to see how they can be integrated into the new phone. This requires a lot of research and development, as well as close collaboration between different teams. They also consider user experience. How will users interact with the phone? What features will they find most useful? The team conducts usability testing to gather feedback from real users. This feedback is invaluable in helping them make the phone more user-friendly. How can they make the phone more intuitive and enjoyable to use? They refine the phone's interface and features based on user feedback. This ensures that the final product is not only functional, but also a pleasure to use. The design and concept phase lays the foundation for the entire manufacturing process. It's a critical step that determines the success of the final product. By the end of this phase, the team has a clear vision of what the new phone will be and how it will meet the needs of its users.
Smartphones are made from a variety of materials. These include metals like aluminum and gold, as well as glass, plastic, and rare earth elements. These materials come from all over the world. Mining companies extract the raw materials. These materials are then refined and processed into usable forms. The sourcing of raw materials is a critical part of the supply chain. Companies need to ensure they are using ethical and sustainable practices.
With raw materials in hand, the manufacturing of individual components begins. This includes the processor, display, camera, battery, and more. Each component is made in specialized factories around the world. Making these components is incredibly precise. For example, the processor, or the brain of the phone, is incredibly complex. It contains billions of transistors on a tiny chip. Similarly, the display requires advanced technology to produce vibrant colors and sharp images. Section 5. From Parts to Product Assembly Line Journey. In this segment, we will explore the fascinating process of how individual components are transformed into a fully functional smartphone. Once the components are ready, they are sent to assembly factories. These factories are the heart of the manufacturing process, where raw materials and parts come together to create something extraordinary. This is where the smartphone truly comes together. Each part, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the final product. The assembly process is a marvel of modern engineering and precision.
Skilled workers and sophisticated robots work in unison on fast-paced assembly lines. The combination of human expertise and robotic efficiency ensures that each smartphone is assembled with the utmost care and accuracy. The assembly process is highly choreographed. Every movement is planned and executed with precision to ensure that the assembly line runs smoothly and efficiently. Components are carefully placed onto the phone's main board. The display is attached, the battery is connected, and each connection is meticulously checked to ensure it meets the required standards. The casing is put on, encasing all the delicate components within a protective shell. This step is crucial, as it not only protects the internal parts, but also gives the smartphone its final look and feel. Each step is checked for quality and precision. Quality control teams meticulously inspect every aspect of the assembly process to ensure that each smartphone meets the highest standards of performance and durability. The finished phones are then tested to ensure they are working perfectly. This includes a series of rigorous tests to check for functionality, durability, and overall performance. Only after passing these tests are the smartphones ready to be shipped to consumers around the world.
Section 6. Putting it to the test. Quality control and assurance. Before a smartphone reaches your hands, it undergoes rigorous testing. This ensures quality and durability.
Phones are subjected to drop tests, scratch tests, and temperature tests. Software is also rigorously checked for bugs and glitches. Testers put the phone through its paces, using all its features to identify any issues. Only phones that pass all the tests are deemed ready for packaging and distribution.
Section 7. Ready for the world packaging and distribution. Smartphones are carefully packaged for shipping. The box usually contains the phone itself, a charger, and some instructions. Companies are increasingly using eco-friendly packaging materials. From the factory, phones are shipped worldwide. Sophisticated logistics networks ensure the phones reach stores efficiently. The journey from factory to consumer can be surprisingly quick, depending on the brand and location. Section 8. The environmental footprint, impact and recycling. Smartphone manufacturing does have an environmental impact. It requires energy and resources. The mining of raw materials can also affect the environment.
However, companies are taking steps to reduce their impact. They are using more renewable energy and recycled materials. Many manufacturers also have recycling programs to reclaim valuable materials from old phones. Consumers can help by recycling their old devices responsibly.
Section 9. A global collaboration, the smartphone ecosystem. The journey of a smartphone highlights the interconnectedness of our world. It's a testament to global collaboration and human ingenuity. From the mines of Africa to the factories of Asia, countless people contribute to the creation of these devices. It's a complex dance of technology, design, manufacturing, and distribution. Understanding this process gives us a deeper appreciation for the incredible devices we often take for granted. Section 10. Conclusion. A world of technology in your hands. The next time you hold a smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there. It's a marvel of engineering and a testament to human collaboration. From the initial spark of an idea to the final product, the smartphone manufacturing process is a fascinating story. And it's a story that continues to evolve with each new generation of these incredible devices.